Hey guys, thank you for joining me. I am back today with a craft with me video and we're gonna make these feather embellishments. So let me show you what they look like. So this is what they look like. I used some feather dyes that I had in my stash for over a year and I never used them. And I thought when I saw these words that I picked from InLoveArts shop, I immediately thought of making something with the feathers. So this is what I came up with, and I used the words die that I got from InLoveArts. All the links will be in the description box. I used these feather dies also from AliExpress. I got these last year and they come in 2 sizes, so I used the 2 of them. And I used also this scribbled star die that I recently got on AliExpress that I thought matches very well the All Heart collection. So let me just put these aside and show you. I also used some gold tulle and some Nouveau drops just to add a little bit of accent. So these are very easy to make. I used also these Polaroid frames from the collection, so I just cut them out from the 6x8 paper pad. Let me show you the sheet very quickly. This is the one. So I just cut the image, but you can cut the actual Polaroid and use it as well as an embellishment. They are cute, they are small, so you can use them in the small embellishment. So I already prepped. I cut my my feathers, some scribbled stars, the words in gold foil, and a few of the frames. So to make it easy for me to match the paper, since I was using double-sided paper for most of them, well, for this one not, but for most of my feathers, I cut it twice, once on each side, and I lined them like that, just to kind of have a little bit of like not dimension, but I wanted to have like an edge, or I don't know how I can say, but I wanted to cut both and have just like a little, not frame, but just a little peek of the one underneath. So what I did is I used wet glue, and I didn't glue them all the way. I will show you. So I just added a few dots of wet glue here on the, just on the half portion here, and then I will line them up and create just a little bit of like a shadow or something. So I wanted just to peek a little bit, and I wanted also this part to be like open, so I didn't glue. That's why I didn't glue it all the way. Just half here and leave it like that. Then next thing is, and for the star I used the paper that is the same like design, the same paper that's underneath. I used it for the star, so that I don't have like too many colors and it's still, you know, harmonious. And then I will add a frame. So you have many choices and many colors. I showed you the sheet earlier, so you can, here we go. So the pink one, and I want it to go like this. Here we go. And then I'm gonna add the word. I didn't want to put too much layers on this, so let me see. For the small ones I have hello sun. Okay, so either I will go with sun. And for the word I do the same, just some wet glue. Just some wet glue here. I try to stay in the middle, just in case I have some words that that do not completely fit. So I try to stay in the middle. I start with my word here, and then I will cut my foam tape just like so. I will cut a couple of pieces, and then I will pick both up, turn them over, and stick my foam tape. Here we go. I'm gonna put it like that, and I'm gonna cut a small piece of tulle. This is just some random glitter tulle that I got, I think, on Amazon, and I'm just gonna scribble it. So I'm gonna try and aim for the diagonal, and I'm just gonna scribble it just like so, and I'm gonna assemble the two pointy bits like this. And I'm gonna add it to the back. So I'm just gonna remove the backing first. And depending on where I want it to peek from, this is where I'm gonna glue it. So I want it to peek from this side. I'm gonna glue it here, and then I'm gonna adhere it to my feather. So a lot of glitter coming out from the tulle. And here we go. Now you can just add your accent. I'm adding Nouveau drops because I like them. But you can add whatever bling or accents you have in your stash. So for this one, I will go with the I will actually go with the navy blue. So this one is like it has like a pearly finish. It's called Crystal Drops. So I'm just gonna add a few drops here and there. This one is a little bit too big. And another drop here. And I'm done. So they say you can leave them for 15 minutes and they will dry. And it's true, after 15 minutes they are dry, but I mean, to be completely sure that they don't get messed up, what I do is that I make all of my embellishments. If I'm gonna make a few of these, I make all of them first. Then I add the Nouveau drops at the very end on all of them, and I leave them for like 24 hours until they dry completely. I try not to touch them to be absolutely sure they don't get messed up. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you will try it at home. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.